Hi, my name is Ashley Twiddell, and I'm a graduate student with Grand Canyon University. Today we are going to be talking about individual education plans, or IEPs. You may be watching this video because your student is having difficulties in the classroom. This can be identified by failing grades, trouble paying attention, or any number of reasons. However, do not fret. By identifying the concern, you and your student can be assisted by the school in finding a solution. The components to an IEP are a simple way to capture and assist the student in as many ways as possible. It starts with a teacher identifying a student's problems, which then creates a referral. This referral identifies where the student is having issues and that there is now a formal request for additional testing, and that the teacher believes that the student would benefit from additional support. From there, the teachers and the school psychologists move into the data collection process and the formal evaluation. This evaluation consists of data gathered within the classroom and formally collected by the school psychologist who wants to assist with the identifying of the particular disability the student is showcasing. The evaluation occurs over a period of a few weeks to guarantee that the problems identified are consistent and, in fact, hindering your student's ability to learn. With this information in hand, a meeting is scheduled with you, the parent, your student, the teachers, and a school psychologist, plus a couple of others. The school psychologist will identify whether your student has met the criteria specified and whether they are eligible for an IEP. Once the student is deemed eligible for an IEP, then the game plan is created and your student will continue to be monitored until they no longer require additional assistance or they graduate. As a parent, staying involved in your student's education is imperative to your student's success. Be an advocate for your student because it will help with their education. I know my nephew received additional support through his IEP program and has since continued on to college, and he's focusing in information technology. The support he received and the support your student receives can change their lives for the better. However, without your involvement, your support, and your understanding, this can be a strenuous and stressful process for your student. Start with something small. Talk to your student about their homework, about how they feel, their friends, and how they are doing in class. Each little insight can help your student feel connected and keep them focused on their success. If at any point in time you want to speak to your teacher, know that they are here for you. It takes a village to raise a child, but it takes an even bigger one to help them succeed within their education.